Hey everyone, welcome back to Going Off Grid. We're here in the garage today. We're going to be building a door jamb for this door we bought for the cabin on Marketplace. I'm going to build a door jamb for this because I don't want to use the typical door that's already primed. I want to do a door jamb out of 2x6s. That way I can clear coat it for a natural look. I think it'll look better on the cabin. So let's get started. I'll show you what I've prepped so far. So I've already ripped my 2x6s down to 5 inches, which is going to be the wall thickness for the cabin, including the interior pine boards and the exterior sheeting. I went ahead and marked a 3/4 inch line. That'll be the reveal to recess the door into the jamb. I've already marked a threshold, the depth for the door, including a little extra room for the gasket that we're going to be putting in here. So let's get started. Okay, so here we have our side jambs. This is the reveal where the door will close against. The notch, I don't know if you can see it here, but I made the notch roughly 3/8 of an inch deeper than my reveal. That way I have this groove that I can put my door gasket into to lock it in. Both jambs are the same, along with the top piece. The top piece matches. And then I have this one. This notch here is 3/4 inch square for the top. This notch has an angle on it for the threshold. So the threshold will sit into this notch just like that. And then we'll have our door gasket all the way down. Okay, so we're going to start tacking this together. We'll put some construction adhesive on it at the joints and see how we did. Okay, since I'm in here by myself, I'm just going to stand this up and try to set the door in, make sure it fits, and hope we got it right. Okay, looks pretty good. We got a reveal at the top because the door will go up once I put the bottom weather strip on. That'll close this up to about 1/8 of an inch. We'll notch over here for our hinges then. Okay, so we'll lay that back down. We'll add the door gasket. Okay, so there are the notches for the hinges. We're going to put the hinges on the door and attach the other side of the hinge to the jamb. Then we'll stand it up and we'll put the door in and put the pins back in. Simple enough. Okay, so there you have it. There's a pine door jamb. Now it's just like a pre-hung door. So this will go up. This will be the door going in the cabin on our off-grid homestead in the making. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.